morning, students. How are you? I'm fine. What is the day today? Today is Wednesday. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. What are they? Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. What was yesterday? Yesterday was Tuesday. What will be tomorrow? Tomorrow will be Thursday. How many months are there in students? There are 12 months in a year. What are they? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. The current month is July, June. Introduce the topics before song the good morning songs. Good morning, welcome, I'm happy to see you, Good afternoon, welcome, I'm happy to see you, Good evening, welcome, I'm happy to see you, Next, the preview lessons is your books, plurals and singular pronouns. The new topic is sentences. Merit Academy Kindergarten 2012 Ethiopian calendar second semester English revised for KG3. The topic is sentence. Sentence is the group of words. Sentence is the group of words. Sentence is the group of words. Example, writing. The word is writing. We make the sentences is the first word is I, the second am, the third writing. These complete sentences is I am writing. The next, football. The football means the first sentence. The first word is boy. The second, like. The third, playing. The fourth, football. This word is complete. The sentences, boys like playing football. Boys like playing football. Sentence ማለት የቃላቶች ስብስብ ማለት ነው። በአማርኛ አረፍተ ነገር ስንሰራ ቃላቶቹን ሰብስበን ስናስቀምጣቸው አንድ ትርጉም ያለው አረፍተ ነገር ይሰጣናል ማለት ነው። በዚህ መሰረት እንግሊዘኛ ላይም sentence is the group of words. The first is writing. Writing means መጽሐፍ. I am እኔ እየጻፍኩ ነው። ዴሊ አክቲቪቲ ላይ ወይም አክሽን ላይ ስንማር እነዚህ ነገሮች ተምረናል ማለት ነው። ራይቲንግ ምን እንደሆነ፣ ዳንሲንግ ምን እንደሆነ እነዚህ ስለተማር I am writing እኔ ምን እያደረኩ ነው? What are you doing ስትባል I am writing. What are you doing? I am sleeping. What are you doing? I am drinking እያለን እየተማርነው ማለት ነው። I am writing. I is the first word, the second I am, the third writing. Then football. The next what is football? Makes the football sentences. The first is boy, the second like, the third play, the fourth football. The first word is boy, the second word is like, the third word is playing, the last word is football. These words are complete the sentence. Boys like playing football. ልጆቹ ኳስ መጫወት በጣም ይወዳሉ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እነዚህ አንድ ላይ ሲጠራቀሙ እዚህ ጋር የተቀመጡት ወርዶች አንድ ላይ ሲጠራቀሙ ትርጉም ያለው አረፍተ ነገር ይሰጡናል ማለት ነው። The third word is learning. The first word is we. The second word is are. The or the last word is learning. Where we are learning, we are learning. We means እኛ, are means እኛ. This verb and pronouns, verb and subjects. We are learning. We are learning. The sentence is we are learning. እኛ ምን እያደረግን ነው? እየተማርን ነው። እኛ እየተማርን ነው። Birds, birds. This word is plural words. This word is plural words. Singular words is bird, bird. This is plural words. This is plural pronouns. Plural pronouns. This birds is the first word is birds. The second can. The third fly. This sentence, this word is complete. Birds can fly. Birds can fly in the sky in the occasion. This sentence is the group of words. This sentence is the group of words. እነዚህ ጠቅላላ ግሩፖች ቃላትን አንድ ላይ ስናጠራቅም ትርጉም ያለው ቃል አድርገን ከሰራ ነው ሴንቴንስ ወይንም አረፍተ ነገር ይሰጠናል ማለት ነው። ልጆች እየሰማችሁኝ ነው? The next sentence is question sentence. Question sentence or negative sentences. Negative sentence ጥያቄያዊ የሆኑ ሴንቴንሶች ደግሞ አሉ ማለት ነው። ጥያቄያዊ ወይም ጥያቄ መልስ የሚያስከትሉ ሴንቴንሶች ደግሞ አሉ ማለት ነው። The first word is name. The first word is sentence. The first word question sentence. This becomes this. What? The first word is the second word. Your the third word. Name the last or the fourth word is. Then what is your name? These words become the sentences. What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? The answer of this sentence is my name is Abebe, my name is Almas, my name is Salam, and so on. What is your name? The sentence is question or negative sentences. The second word is live becomes the question sentences. The first word is where, the second do, the third you, the last or the fourth word is live. Live. These words is become complete the question words. Where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live? The answer of this question, the answer of this sentence question, I live in Addis Ababa, I live in Mercato, I live in Ayertena, I live in America, and so on. The sentence is question or negative question sentences. The third, old. The becomes the sentence. The word is how old are you? How the first word is, old the second word is, are the third word is, you the fourth or the last word is. The sentence's question becomes complete. This word is how old are you? How old are you? How old are you? Said Amertena. The sentence of this question, the answer is I am 6 years old, I am 5 years old, I am 10 years old. The sentence of this question sentences. The last is learning. Learnings become are the first word is, you the second word is, learning the third word is, here the fourth word is, or the last word is. Are you learning here? Are you learning here? Are you learning here? This sentence is yes or no. The answer of yes or no that becomes the sentence of the answer. This all of you question question sentences. This all of you question sentence. This is the question words. These question words become all complete these sentences. These sentences. The next topic. Read the passage. Look at these students, stand up or that new among these activities. Stand up students, stand up. Look at how do you do? I am. Look at the passages. Look at the passages. First for the activities. Jumping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Writing. I am writing. Drinking. I am drinking. Sleeping. I am sleeping. Reading. I am reading. Jumping. I am jumping. Sitting. I am sitting. These are sentences. The action of particular. The next is read the passage. The passage is salam. Salam is introduce yourselves. My name is Salam. I am 6 years old. I learn in Merit Academy School. I have 1 sister and 2 brothers. I am in UKG. I want to be a doctor. I live in Addis Ababa. I do my homework every day. I study hard. This is introduce your Salam's passage. My name is Salam. እድሜ 6 ዓመት ነው። ስሜ ማን ይባላል? ሰላም። I learn in Merit Academy. የምማረው ሜሪት አካዳሚ ነው። I have 1 sister and 2 brothers. አንድ እህትና 2 ወንድም አለኝ። I am UKG. የምማረው UKG ክላስ ነው። I want to be doctor. ወደፊት መሆን የምፈልገው ዶክተር ነው። I live in Addis Ababa. የምኖረው አዲስ አበባ ነው። I do homework every day. I study hard. ሁልጊዜ የቤት ስራዬን እሰራለሁ፣ አነባለሁ፣ አጠናለሁ ይላል። ስለዚህ ስለ ሰላም የሚያወራልን ታሪክ ከሆነ አንድ ፓሴጅ ይሆናል። ወይም ስለ አንድ ነገር የሚያወራልን ፓሴጅ ወይም ምንባብ ይባላል ማለት ነው። አሁን ይሄ ስለ ሰላም ታሪክ፣ ስለ ሰላም ህይወት፣ ስለ ሰላም ነው የሚናገረው። ሰላም ምን ያደረገች ነው? ሰላም ምን እየሰራች ነው? ሰላም ስንት ዓመቷ ነው? ሰላም የት ነው የምትማረው? ሰላም ምን መሆን ትፈልጋለች? ሰላም የት ነው የምትኖረው? ሰላም የቤት ስራዋን የክፍል ስራዋን ትሰራለች፣ ታጠናለች። እነዚህ ስለማን ነው የሚያወራው? ስለ ሰላም ነው። ይሄ በአጭር ፓሴጅ ወይንም ስለ ሰላም የሚያወራልን ከሆነ አጠር ያለ ምንባብ ይባላል ማለት ነው። The next topic is noun. Noun is name. Name is word. ስሞችን ለመግለጽ ወይም የተለያዩ ስሞችን ለማወቅ ናውን ማለት ኔም ማለት ደግሞ ስም ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ናውን ማለት ኔም ማለት ይላል። ናውኖች ደግሞ በስንት ይከፈላሉ? በአራት. becomes there. How many nouns are there? Are 4 nouns. There are 4 nouns. This means some words name is pupil, place, animal and things. Pupil, place, animal and things. Example, person. Person means the friends, students, mother, boy, girl, pilot, aunt and teacher. These are friends. All of us are the students' friends. Student is in the classes, mother or father, boy, mother, almas, father, brother, and so on. Boy, girl, pilot, and teacher. These are person names. Ababa and Almas. Person name. Ababa is he, Almas means she. These are all person names. Place, country, city, school, market, and shop. Place is country, city, school, market, shops. These are the country of names. For example, Addis Ababa, Nazir, Gondar, and so on. This name is the place names. የቦታ ስሞች ማለት ነው። ፐርሰን የሰው ስም ሲሆን ፕሌስ ደግሞ የቦታ ስሞች ቦታውን የምንገልጽበት ስሞች ማለት ነው። Things, book, flower, table, stone, duster, pen, bag, and clothes. ቲንግ ደግሞ ለእቃ የምንጠቀመው ሲሆን ቡክ መጽሐፍ ነው። ፍላወር ለፍላወር የምናወጣው ስም፣ ለቴብል የቤት ውስጥ እቃ የምናወጣው ስም፣ ስቶን ድንጋይ፣ ዳስተር የምናጸዳበት ሰሌዳ፣ ፔን የምንጽፍበት፣ ባግ ቦርሳ፣ ክሎዝ ልብሶች፣ የተለያዩ ልብሶች ለእነዚህ የምንሰጣቸው ስሞች ደግሞ ምን ይባላል? የናውን ኦፍ ቲንግስ ናውን ኦፍ ቲንግ ናውን ኦፍ ኔም ቲንግስ ይሆናል። አኒማልስ domestic animal, wild animal, insect, bird, and so on. These are name is dog, cat, insect, horse, cow, bee, bird, lion, tiger, fish. These all of you names is animal nouns. Dog is domestic animal, cat is domestic animal, insect, horse domestic animal, cow domestic animal, bee insect, bird, lion, tiger, lion and tiger, wild animal, fish, water animal. These all of you the noun of things. How many nouns? There are 4 nouns. What are they? Person, place, things, and animal. These are all of you the noun of names. The noun of names. For example, this person, noun, another name, noun, pronouns, the singular pronouns and plural pronouns. Singular pronouns, she, he, and it. Singular pronouns, she is Almas, he is Kabbadan, it is animals or things. These are singular pronouns. The plural pronouns is noun, they, we, and you, and I. These are plural pronouns. The noun or names. These are plural pronouns and noun singular pronouns is they, we, you, I. She, እሷ፣ he፣ እሱ፣ it ለእቃ ወይንም ለእንስሳ እንጠቀምበታለን። they እነሱ፣ we እኛ፣ you ለወንድ ወይም ለሴት፣ I ለወንድ ወይም ለሴት። ስለዚህ እነዚህ ፕሉራል ናቸው። ለዚህ ዩና አይ ለሁለት ነገር ስለምንጠቀመው ፕሉራል ፕሮናውንስ ሆኑ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ በሌላ መልኩ ናውን ማለት የፕሮናውንስ መገለጫ ወይም የናውን መገለጫዎች ሺ፣ ሂ፣ ኢት ይሆናሉ። የናውን ወይም የፕሮናውን መገለጫዎች ዘይ፣ ዊ፣ ዩ፣ አይ ይሆናሉ ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ ዘይ ከሆነ ዘይ አር ፕሌይንግ ፉትቦል ሊሆን ይችላል። ዊ አር ራይቲንግ ሊሆን ይችላል። ዩ አር እነዚህ አር ይገባል። ፕሮናውን ማነው? ቨርቡ ማን ይሆናል ማለት ነው? አር አም ይሆናል ማለት ነው። እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ ኢዝ ይገባል ቨርብ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እነዚህ በናውኖች ውስጥ ገብተን እነዚህን እዚህ ጋር ፐርሰንን፣ ፕሌስን፣ ቲንግን፣ አኒማልን የሚገልጹልን እነዚህ ፕሮናውንሶች ናቸው ማለት ነው። the next topic is exercise on the fill in the blank space based on the above passage. ትክክለኛው መልስ ከፓሴጁ አንብባችሁ የሚከተሉትን ጥያቄዎች አሟሉ ነው የሚላችሁ። ስለዚህ እነዚህ ጥያቄዎች እዚህ ጋር ያሉትን ደግሞ ፓሴጁን በትክክል አንብባችሁ ትሞላላችሁ ማለት ነው። How old is Salam? How old is Salam? Salam is blank years old. Look at the passage and read the passage, answer the blanks. How many sisters do you Salam have? Salam is blank sisters. Answer the question Look at the passage and read the passage. Answer the question. Where does Salam learn in? Salam learn in blank. What is Salam future plans? Salam went to be blank. Look at the passage, read the passage, answer the question. Which grade is Salam in? Salam is in blank grades. This sentence, read the passage and answer this question. Read the passage, the back, read the passage, answer the question. Students, bye. See you the next year. Bye. See you.